Now this might seem like common sense, but it's worth explaining. Your automatic transmission is what changes the gears in your four-wheel drive. It transmits the engine's power to the wheels and ensures it's in the right gear at the right time without you having to do a thing. The problem is your vehicle's standard transmission, it was built for normal, everyday use. Now that might mean something different to some, but typically that's light, moderate work around town, commuting, highway use. It's when you start to use that vehicle for towing, forward driving, of larger tyres, engine power enhancements like tuning, all of that equates to additional load on your transmission and you're pushing it beyond what it was originally designed to handle. These transmission upgrades, they can be done individually or as a vehicle-specific upgrade package. Cooling system upgrades to reduce your transmission's operating temperature, valve body upgrades to recalibrate that transmission for heavy duty use, transmission remapping to optimise your shift strategy and your line pressure control, temperature monitoring devices so you can watch your trans temp in real time, torque converter lock-up switches so you can manually override the torque converter's control, and a deep sump for your transmission for extra fluid capacity to dissipate more heat and longer service intervals as well. When you're planning your next trip, make sure your four-wheel drive gets the same attention. The transmission is often overlooked. Don't let it be the thing that lets you down. If you're using your vehicle for anything other than light standard use, it's time to think about upgrading your automatic transmission.